Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at a camera that feels like it can straight from the early days of digital photograph. This is a Kodak 8.2 megapixel digital camera, and despite being an older compact camera, it has really interesting design and a nostalgia feel. So, is the old Kodak camera still worth using today? Let's find out. Design and build quality. The camera has a small and lightweight body, so it's very easy to carry around. The front has Kodak branding and optical zoom lens and built-in flash. I also really like this silver finish. It gives the camera that classic early 2000s digital camera look. And because of its compact size, you can easily carry it in your pocket or a small bag. On the front, we can see that this camera has 8.2 megapixel sensor. Now 8.2 megapixel may sound very low compared to modern smartphone which can have 50, 100 or even more megapixel. But megapixel aren't everything. For casual photography, an 8.2 megapixel camera can still produce perfect usable photos, especially when you are looking for that old school digital camera look. The camera also comes with an optical zoom lens. Optical zoom is much better than simple cropping a photo digitally because the lens actually change the framing of image so you can see in your subject while maintaining better image quality than with digital zoom. I can show you how the camera lens come out. Let's see. I press. Here you can see a camera lens is come out, and in your screen you can see The biggest reason to use a camera like this today isn't necessarily image quality, it's the experience and the look. Photo from older digital camera often have a different character compared to modern smartphone photo. They can give your picture that nostalgia early digital camera aesthetic that many people are actually trying to recreate with filters today. So, who is this camera actually for? If you are looking for a modern camera with excellent low light performance, fast autofocus, 4K video, and smartphone like processing, this definitely isn't the camera for you. But if you want a simple point and shoot camera, you are interested in photography, or you just want that nostalgia digital camera look, this Kodak can be really fun for you. Overall, this Kodak 8.2 megapixel digital camera is a great example for how simple digital camera used to be. It may not compete with today's smartphones in terms of specification, but that's not really the point. It's compact, simple, and optical zoom, a built-in flash, and most importantly, it offers a completely different photography experience. If you already have only laying around, I definitely recommend giving it a try before putting away. So, what do you think about this old Kodak digital camera? Would you still use a camera like this in 2026? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoy this review, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.